South Korea is an amazing place to explore in Asia. It offers a wide range of experiences, from modern cityscapes to historical sites and beautiful nature. When you visit, you'll feel the fantastic energy of the country. Today, we'll discover some of the best cities in South Korea. But before we start, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our content. 1. Andong. Andong is a city that lets you dive into South Korean history. It's famous for its traditional Korean historical sites. Some of these places have been around for over 2,000 years, like Buddhist temples and royal palaces. They might not have been built to amaze, but they surely will. You must visit Andong Folk Village, a living piece of Joseon Dynasty culture. Here, you'll find traditional architecture, folk traditions, and a glimpse into South Korean heritage. Don't forget to check out Bongjongsa Temple, the oldest wooden architecture in Korea. And for a charming walk, head to Wolyeongyo Bridge, the country's longest wooden bridge. It's especially beautiful in the evening, earning its nickname, the Moonlight Bridge. If you're here at the right time, you can also enjoy Andong's annual Mask Dance Festival, a captivating window into Korean culture for 10 amazing days. 2. Yeosu. Yeosu is becoming one of Asia's most beautiful beach cities, and it's easy to see why. Nestled between mountains and small islands, it's a sight to behold. One of the best things to do here is hit the local beaches. Explore Angel Alley, a charming spot adorned with colorful murals. Check out the Haeunjeom Hermitage, a stunning seaside temple surrounded by breathtaking views of the sea and nature. And for a fun adventure, take the cable car to Dolsan Park for a great view of the city. 3. Busan. Busan is South Korea's second largest city, known for its hiking trails and Buddhist temples in the mountains. The Biomyosa Temple, founded in 678 AD, is a popular choice, always bustling with visitors and worshippers. Art lovers will find several museums and historical sites in Busan. If you're into scenic spots, don't miss Dombek Island or birdwatching at the Nakdong River estuary. And for a stunning beach, head to Haeundae Beach, a beautiful surprise at the edge of this bustling city. And when hunger strikes, Wangbokdong Food Street is a bustling lane filled with food stalls and restaurants to satisfy your cravings. 4. Nami Island. Nami Island is like a peaceful paradise, shaped like a crescent moon, where you can relax and have fun with various activities. It's incredibly beautiful and perfect for nature lovers seeking tranquility. To make the most of your visit, plan to spend around 10 hours here. Just buy a ticket to the island, and you can easily take a round-trip ferry from Gapyeong Pier. 5. Jeoju. Jeoju, often called the Blue City, is more of an island gem than a bustling city. Its unique charm comes from its historical significance as a strategic defense location, blending seamlessly with stunning natural beauty. Explore the history of the Korean War at the historic park of Jeoju Pyogo Camp, or enjoy the scenic beauty of Hakdong Mongol Beach, a great spot for hiking. To top off your Jeoju visit, don't miss Mundong Waterfall, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who love activities like hiking and climbing. There's no better place to relax and enjoy nature. 6. Suwon. Suwon, the largest city in Gyeonggi Province, is a remarkable blend of old and new, with its city center enclosed by 18th century fortifications. Start your adventure with a visit to the UNESCO-listed Hwaseong Fortress. Walk along the city walls and discover the ingenious military innovations of its builders. Don't miss Hwaseong Hanggang Palace, where you can explore relics from the Joseon Dynasty. For a unique experience, visit Hwaseong Palace in the evening and witness the city's transformation from day to night. And of course, explore Yeommudae, Palvolmun Gate, Hwahalmun Gate, and the Korean Folk Village. Suwon is a living history lesson you won't want to miss. Just 60 years ago, South Korea was considered a developing country. But now, it's become a leading force in Asia, both economically and culturally. Whether you're into ultra-modern vibes or ancient history, South Korea has something for everyone.